how to change the name of the tab for your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So as you can see here, by default, it says My Store, and this is the home page. And obviously, if I click on any other product, it's going to basically just say the name of the product. So this is step one. If it's a product page, you're just going to be able to change the tab name by changing the product's name. Okay, so that's number one. But for the home page, if you want to change that, there are two things here that you can feel free to change to make it work. First one is the name of your store, which you should have already done that by now. If you just go to settings, go to general and click on My Store, you can just feel free to change the name of your store and click on save. Next up, the other thing is going to be the meta title for your home page. So in order to change that, you simply just want to go to your Shopify admin, click on preferences within the online store tab. And if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find the social sharing image and SEO and the home page title, which is going to be this empty by default. So you're just going to add whatever you want in here instead. And obviously adding a meta description is nice, but it's not really what I'm trying to cover here for this video. So I'm just going to leave it empty. And now if we just refresh a little bit and view our store, it's just going to basically change the tab name for our Shopify. So let's just click on view your online store and see it. So as you can see here on the top, it now says explain space instead of the previous My Store. So this is basically all you need to do in order to change the tab name for your Shopify. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.